18 budget-friendly nursery ideas. Whether you are renting your space or working with a tight budget, washi tape can work decorating miracles. It goes on easy and comes off clean, and with dozens of colors and patterns to choose from, the possibilities are practically limitless. Need proof? Just look at this stunning washi tape accent wall designed by a military mom. She has become a temporary decor genius, Emily of Everything Emily. Chic, modern, and totally temporary, it is the perfect alternative to pricey, permanent wallpaper. This budget-friendly Pinterest find is as sweet as its theme. Use brightly colored strips of washi tape to create this adorable sprinkle accent wall. The cherry on top, you will have more than enough money left over for treats. If you prefer a more whimsical wall mural but do not have the time and money to invest in a full-scale art project, consider getting creative with a little bit of washi tape. This washi tape mountain range spotted on Pinterest adds the perfect touch to a clean and modern boys' room. A cozy reading corner featured on Terra Femina gets an imaginative update with a charming row on tiny washi tape houses. Need a quick and easy way to dress up a plain Jane space? Make a statement with a beautiful patterned rug. A colorful, hand-woven wool rug channels a desert sunset, bringing southwestern charm to this simple boho nursery space spotted on Glitter Guide. A dramatic bouquet of gorgeous paper flowers makes for a stunning focal point in this soft, chic, and ultra-feminine nursery featured on Palm Beach lately. Want to create your own beautiful 3D paper wall art? Check out this detailed tutorial from the Sway. Who doesn't love chalkboard paint? A quick coat can transform a boring, empty wall into a fun and imaginative canvas, and all for the cost of a single can of paint. This laid-back, play-focused space created by Helen Sturrison and featured on Paul and Paula boasts a floor-to-ceiling chalkboard wall, which stands in stylish contrast to the room's pale pink and white palette. Inexpensive and easy to install, a canopy tent, like the one featured in this beautiful nursery find from Instagram, makes a dramatic difference to a space. It adds color and texture while creating a functional area for your little one to enjoy. Need to save a few bucks? Make your own. Digging the tribal trend? You'll love this cheap and easy DIY idea. This on-point arrow wall, created by Jenny Radosevich of I Spy DIY, also makes use of the masking tape paint and peel method. Outline your design in tape, paint over the top, and then remove the tape to reveal your tribal-themed masterpiece. Oversized wall prints, like the cute bunny portraits featured in this sweet neutral space from Project Nursery, are turning out to be a definite trend for 2018. While some of these prints can be costly, you can easily get the same look by framing inexpensive posters or printing your own digital downloads at your local print shop. Just when you think you have seen the limits of what washi tape can do, another clever DIY takes a design risk that pays off in a big way. This show-stopping, candy-striped accent wall, featured on Design Dazzle, is made entirely of, you guessed it, washi tape. Bright, budget-friendly, and totally removable, it's a great option for a nursery or kids' room. Nervous about the time and money involved in painting your little one's nursery? Why not keep things simple and dress up an all-white space with a rainbow of colorful accessories? This bright and cheery toddler room posted to LiveJournal by Nicety proves that a little bit of color can go a long way, creating a clean and contemporary effect that's anything but dull. A crib canopy is a great way to boost your design without breaking the bank. Suspended from 3 wall-mounted brackets, this gauzy fabric canopy from Home with Low features a string of twinkling fairy lights for baby to enjoy at night. Too cute. Looking for inexpensive wall decor? Look no further than your local thrift store. A collection of second-hand frames painted in soft pastels and mounted to the wall above the crib make for a beautiful wall display in this pretty vintage girls' room featured on Project Nursery. These inexpensive and easy to recreate sponge paint polka dots bring a shower of color to a simple white space. Going dotty over this look? All you need is a few kitchen sponges, some paint, and this detailed photo tutorial by OO. Dusting of metallic gold decals adds a touch of glam to this sweet, feminine nursery space featured on Project Nursery. Inexpensive, easy to install, and even easier to remove, polka dot decals add all the bang of a print accent wall for way less buck. If you feel you cannot afford chic patterned wallpaper, then go buy a Sharpie. According to Becky, the multi-talented mom and blogger behind Preparing for Peanuts, this gorgeous, tribal-themed accent wall took just a few hours to make. The cost? A whopping $5. Sharpie paint pens come in multiple sizes and colors and can be purchased at your local craft store. You can even buy metallic pens, which are perfect for adding a little glam to your project. Lack a steady hand? You can still create your own one-of-a-kind patterned accent wall using paint and some carefully placed masking tape. This gorgeous herringbone wall created by Katie of View from the Fridge is a paint and peel beauty. Simply lay out the pattern with tape, paint over it, and peel it off for swoon-worthy results. For more tips, including Katie's secret must-have product for creating clean tape lines, see the full tutorial. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.